Hey everyone, welcome back to News and Views. Today we're diving into the weird, wacky, and wonderful world of Japanese cuisine. From fermented soybeans to potentially deadly pufferfish, Japan's culinary landscape is as diverse as it is intriguing. Whether you're a food adventurer or just curious about different cultures, this video is for you. So, buckle up and get ready to explore some of Japan's most unusual foods. We'll take you on a journey through 10 dishes that might just surprise you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with natto. If you've ever been to Japan, you've probably heard of this traditional dish made from fermented soybeans. Natto is known for its strong, pungent smell and sticky, slimy texture, which can be quite a shock for first-timers. Despite its unusual characteristics, natto is a beloved breakfast item in many Japanese households. It's often served over rice and topped with soy sauce, mustard, or green onions. Natto is incredibly nutritious, packed with protein, vitamins, and probiotics, making it a superfood in Japanese cuisine. However, its unique texture and strong flavor can be a bit of an acquired taste. Many foreigners find it challenging to get past the initial shock, but those who do often become lifelong fans. Today you can find natto in almost every grocery store across the country, and it's even becoming popular in other parts of the world. If you're feeling adventurous, give natto a try next time you're in Japan. Next up is fugu, the infamous pufferfish delicacy that has a reputation for being potentially deadly. Fugu contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that can be lethal if not prepared correctly. Because of this, chefs who prepare fugu must undergo rigorous training and certification to ensure they can safely serve this dish. Despite the risks, fugu remains a popular and highly sought-after delicacy in Japan. The preparation of fugu is an art form in itself. Chefs meticulously remove the toxic parts of the fish, leaving only the safe, edible portions. The fish is often served as sashimi, sliced thinly and arranged beautifully on a plate. The taste of fugu is subtle and delicate, with a unique texture that sets it apart from other types of fish. In Japan, fugu is typically enjoyed during the winter months, and many people consider it a special treat. Just make sure you go to a reputable restaurant with a certified chef. Our next stop is basashi, a dish that might surprise many raw horse meat. Yes, you heard that right. Basashi is particularly popular in certain regions of Japan, such as Kumamoto and Nagano. The meat is usually sliced thin and served raw, often accompanied by soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. It's a delicacy that offers a unique and rich flavor, quite different from other types of sashimi. Horse meat is known for being leaner and slightly sweeter than beef, and it has a tender texture that makes it quite enjoyable to eat. In Japan, basashi is often enjoyed as part of a traditional izakaya, Japanese pub meal, where it pairs perfectly with sake or beer. The practice of eating horse meat dates back to the Edo period, and it has remained a part of Japanese culinary culture ever since. If you're open to trying new things, basashi is definitely worth a taste. Chapter 4, Shirako. Moving on to something even more unconventional, let's talk about shirako. Shirako, also known as white children, is the milt or sperm sacs of male fish, typically cod or pufferfish. This delicacy is prized for its creamy texture and delicate flavor, making it a unique experience for those willing to give it a try. Shirako is often served in various forms, including raw, grilled, or even in hot pot dishes. The creamy texture and subtle taste of shirako are often compared to custard or soft cheese, making it a delicacy that stands out in Japanese cuisine. It's commonly enjoyed with a splash of ponzu sauce or a sprinkle of green onions to enhance its flavor. Shirako is not only a treat for the taste buds but also packed with nutrients. Despite its unusual nature, shirako has a dedicated following in Japan, and many people eagerly anticipate its availability each winter. If you're feeling adventurous, shirako is a must-try. Chapter 5, Inago no Tsukudani. Next on our list is Inago no Tsukudani, a dish that takes us into the world of entomophagy, or eating insects. Inago no Tsukudani consists of grasshoppers cooked in soy sauce and sugar, creating a sweet and savory flavor profile. This dish is particularly popular in rural areas of Japan, where it has been enjoyed for generations. Inago no Tsukudani is often served as a side dish or snack, and is known for its crunchy texture. The grasshoppers are typically harvested from rice fields, cleaned, and then simmered in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and mirin until they are tender and flavorful. The result is a dish that is both nutritious and surprisingly delicious. Insects are a great source of protein, and inago no tsukudani is no exception. If you're curious about trying insects, inago no tsukudani is a great place to start. Chapter 6, Hachinoko. Continuing with the theme of edible insects, let's talk about hachinoko or bee larvae. Hachinoko is a traditional Japanese delicacy that is often enjoyed in rural areas. The larvae are typically harvested from beehives, cleaned, and then cooked in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. The result is a dish with a nutty flavor and a slightly crunchy texture. Hachinoko has been eaten in Japan for centuries and is considered a nutritious food source. Bee larvae are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Despite their unusual appearance, hachinoko is a beloved dish in many parts of Japan and is often enjoyed as a side dish or snack. The flavor of hachinoko is often described as nutty and slightly sweet, with a texture that is both crunchy and tender. If you're open to trying new things, hachinoko is definitely worth a taste. Chapter 7, Kujira. Next we have kujira, or whale meat, a highly controversial and culturally significant food in Japan. Whale meat has been consumed in Japan for centuries, and it played a crucial role in the country's diet, especially during the post-World War II era when food was scarce. Today, the consumption of whale meat is a topic of international debate due to concerns about whale conservation and ethical considerations. Kujira can be prepared in various ways, including raw as sashimi, grilled, or simmered in stews. The taste of whale meat is often compared to beef, with a rich, gamey flavor and a slightly chewy texture. In Japan, it is considered a delicacy and is often served in specialized restaurants that take pride in their traditional preparation methods. If you're interested in trying kujira, it's essential to be aware of the ethical and environmental considerations. Chapter 8. Uni. Let's move on to uni, a delicacy that has gained international acclaim. Uni, or sea urchin, is the edible gonads of the sea urchin and is prized for its creamy texture and rich, oceanic flavor. It's a popular ingredient in sushi and sashimi, and it's often enjoyed on its own, or with a touch of soy sauce and wasabi. The taste of uni is often described as briny and sweet, with a buttery consistency that melts in your mouth. It's a unique flavor that captures the essence of the sea, making it a favorite among seafood enthusiasts. In Japan, uni is typically harvested from the northern regions, such as Hokkaido, where the cold waters produce some of the best quality sea urchins. Uni is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. If you're a seafood lover, uni is a must-try. Chapter 9. Ikizukuri. Our next dish is not for the faint of heart. Ikizukuri, or live sashimi. This controversial delicacy involves serving fish that is still moving, offering an incredibly fresh and unique dining experience. Ikizukuri is typically prepared with fish, such as squid or flounder, and the fish is often presented on the plate while still alive and moving. The preparation of ikizukuri requires great skill and precision, as the chef must carefully slice the fish without killing it. The result is sashimi that is incredibly fresh, with a texture and flavor that is unparalleled. In Japan, ikizukuri is considered a delicacy and is often enjoyed at high-end restaurants that specialize in this unique preparation method. If you're seeking an adventurous and unique dining experience, ikizukuri is worth a try. Chapter 10. Tamago Kake Gohan. Finally, let's talk about tamago kake gohan, a simple yet beloved dish that is a staple in many Japanese households. Tamago kake gohan consists of raw egg mixed with hot rice, often seasoned with soy sauce and sometimes topped with green onions or other garnishes. It's a quick and easy meal that is enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or even as a snack. The beauty of tamago kake gohan lies in its simplicity. The hot rice gently cooks the raw egg, creating a creamy and comforting texture that is both satisfying and delicious. The addition of soy sauce adds a savory depth of flavor, making this dish a comforting and nourishing option for any time of day. If you're looking for a quick and easy dish to try at home, tamago kake gohan is a great choice. And there you have it, 10 of Japan's weirdest and wackiest foods. From the slimy texture of natto to the creamy delight of uni, we've explored some truly unique dishes that showcase the diversity and creativity of Japanese cuisine. If you're feeling adventurous, why not give some of these dishes a try next time you're in Japan? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique food adventures. Your support helps us bring you more exciting and informative content. And if you've tried any of these dishes or have any other weird and wacky foods you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. Be sure to follow us on social media for more behind-the-scenes content and updates. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at @News and Views. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure, and we'll see you in the next video.